Yes, welcome to my class, everybody. Right. So, in the last class, we have successfully discussed about what is the difference between client-side technologies and server-side technologies, and why everybody using nowadays framework to develop their applications. And we understand about what is the advantages of the REST API. Okay, what are the advantages of the REST API and how to cooperate that REST. That means how to combine that REST, how to utilize that REST API into the MVC structure. Okay, how to utilize that REST API using MVC structure. Everything we have discussed in the yesterday class. Okay, everyone. Right. So now today class, what is the thing we are going to discuss is we are going to know about TypeScript. Why? Because Angular developed by TypeScript language, right? Understand everybody? Please respond. Okay. So Angular has developed by using TypeScript language. So we should know about TypeScript also. Okay, everybody. Right. So what is this TypeScript? What is this TypeScript? Okay, everyone, what is this TypeScript is? So TypeScript is nothing but superset of JavaScript developed by Microsoft company. See here, everybody, Google has developed Angular, but TypeScript has developed by Microsoft. Now respond everyone, who is the owner of Angular? Who is the owner of Angular? Respond everybody. Who is the owner of Angular? Google or Microsoft?
Google.
Yeah, who is that? Google only. Okay, right. For example, if you develop a application by using Java, so who develops the Java language? He is not the owner. You will be the owner. In the same way, TypeScript has developed by Microsoft, but Google company used that TypeScript and they have developed the Angular. So owner of the Angular is Google, not Microsoft. But owner of TypeScript is Microsoft, not Google. Okay, right. This is clear. Then after, what is this TypeScript? It is nothing but superset of JavaScript. Sir, what is the meaning of superset of JavaScript? Superset of JavaScript, nothing but manipulated version of JavaScript or else extended part of JavaScript. Understanding that, everybody? What is that? Extended part of JavaScript or else modified version of JavaScript. Okay, everybody? Right. So for example, you have taken A into your hand. A for apple, you have taken into your hands. Then after you have converted as B for banana. Sir, how can we convert apple into banana? Please don't ask these silly doubts. Okay, just think like that. You have taken A into your hands and you have converted as B. Okay. So after conversion, definitely there will be differences or not from A to B. Respond everybody. After conversion from A to B, there will be differences or not. Hello.
Yes, sir. Sorry, my wife is talking.
Okay. Right, it's okay. And what is that, everybody? There will be difference or not? Respond, everybody. Amit, Banu, Buchu Babu.
Yes, sir.
Okay, Tanisha. Okay, right. Definitely there will be differences. In the same way, this TypeScript also derived from JavaScript only. It is the modified version of JavaScript. That means there will be differences between JavaScript and TypeScript. Definitely there should be differences between JavaScript and TypeScript. So what are the differences between JavaScript and TypeScript? What are the differences between JavaScript and TypeScript? Observe here, everybody. First difference is JS. JS stands for JavaScript. Remember, JS stands for JavaScript. TS stands for TypeScript. What is that, everybody? TS stands for TypeScript. Okay, right. So JS stands for JavaScript. JavaScript is what? Loosely typed language. Loosely typed language. TS stands for what? TypeScript. TypeScript is what? Strictly typed language. What is this? Strictly typed language. Sir, what is this loosely typed, strictly typed? Loosely typed means with a smiling face, with a freely motion, we need to type. Strictly typed means with a serious face, we need to type. Don't think like that. Okay, everybody? So loosely typed also, strictly typed also. This typed means that is related to data. See here, everybody, whenever you are developing the application, what is that? Whenever you are developing the application, we need to deal with lot of data. Not only lot of data, there will be different types of data also will be there. For example, some data will be numbers, some data will be alphabets, some data will be alphanumerics, some data will be alphanumerical special characters, some data will be true or false, some data will be objects. So whatever it may be, we must handle that. What is it, everybody? Whatever it may be, we must handle that. So now respond, everybody, how to handle the data? By assigning to a variable. What is that, everybody? By assigning to a variable. Right, very good. So whenever you are assigning the data to a variable in a strictly typed languages, we should tell what type of data that variable has to accept. What is that? In the strictly typed languages, we should tell what type of data that variable should accept. Okay, but in loosely typed language, no need to declare that. No need to declare that. Just no need to tell it. Automatically it will understand. But in strictly typed languages, we must declare what type of data that variable has to, okay, what type of data that variable has to contain, accept. Okay, everybody, this is it. This is loosely typed and strictly typed. For example, if you observe here, I am writing 10, but directly I should not write 10. I should assign to a variable. So that's why I have declared a variable called x. For that x, I have assigned the value as 10. Right. Then after here, I am printing that x, console.log x. Respond everybody, what is the output I will get? If I write here where x equal to 10 and I am printing that x, what is the output I will get?
10.
10. Okay. Observe here, I did not mention any data type. Okay. Right. So next here, what I'm doing is next line immediately I'm writing here x equal to Ramesh. What is that? X equal to Ramesh. So 10 is a number. Sir, I don't have knowledge on JavaScript. Is it okay for learn Angular? Yeah, definitely, Shekhar. You can learn Angular also because I'm going to teach you here TypeScript. And if you know any other language oops concepts, then also it is fine. But still, I am teaching you here. Okay, TypeScript. There won't be any problem. Okay, Shekhar. Hello.
Yeah, thank you, Ramesh.
Okay, right. So yeah, see here everybody, what is this 10? It is a number. And here what is this? This is Ramesh. What is Ramesh? Alphabet. Okay, everybody, alphabets. So what I'm doing here, I'm assigning 10, here I'm printing, I'm reassigning Ramesh. Then tell me what will be output? 10 Ramesh or error? What is the
Ramesh.
output I will get?
Ramesh.
What is that, everybody? Ramesh. Why? Because since it is a loosely typed language, it doesn't care about the data type of the data type of the variable. So just it will focus on the latest data only. So line number 59 and 60, 60 is the latest value. So immediately it will print the latest value only. It doesn't care about the type of the data. Okay, everybody? Right. So output will be what? Ramesh, not the error. Now here in the TypeScript, what I am doing is, here I am writing where x equal to 10. See, TypeScript is a strictly typed. In the strictly typed languages, we should specify the data type of the variable. Now respond everybody, here I am assigning where x equal to 10. Then immediately I am putting here x. What is the output I will get? 10 or error? Respond everybody.
10 you will get it, sir.
Why? I did not specify the data type, right? Think once, Banu Prasad.
Error will get, sir. It is, you have not declared whether it is integer or string.
Right. So there is no absolutely no wrong thing. So you will get 10. So there is absolutely no wrong thing. But actually the TypeScript has a beautiful feature. Beautiful feature. What is that? Depends upon the first value, automatically variable takes the data type. Automatically variable assign the data type. TypeScript will assign the data type for the variable. Understand everybody? Depends upon the first value, automatically TypeScript will assign the data type for the variable. For example, 10. 10 is what type of data? Actually, in other language, we'll call it as integer for direct numbers. For example, if you're writing here 10.56, something like that, then it will be float or else a decimal, whatever it may be. Okay, so in C language, especially, we need to use this type of things, into, float, something like that. But in TypeScript, there is only one data type. What is that? Only number. It will accept numbers also, and it will accept decimal values also. For normal numbers and decimal numbers, both are we can assign to number data type. Both we can assign to, both can be assigned to number data type. Okay, right. But here I'm not assigning the data type. So most of the time people will think it will throw error, but it has a beautiful feature that depends upon the first value. Automatically TypeScript will assign the type of the data to that variable. Clear it, everybody? Right. So that what happens? You will get output as 10 only. Clear it, everybody? Please respond. Hello.
Yes, sir.
Okay, right. In the next one, what I'm doing is x equal to Ramesh, I'm assigning here. Now tell me what is the output I will get? 10 Ramesh or error? Respond, everybody. What is the output I will get? 10 Ramesh or error?
Error you will get.
Error I will get. Why? Because if you assign manually number here, or else if it the TypeScript is assigned here, automatically number data type, whatever it may be. Once it is declared as number, always this variable will accept only numbers as the values. Always this variable will accept only numbers as the values. Understand it, everyone? Please respond. Hello. So here, respond everybody. I use it confusing or else understanding. Respond. Don't be silent.
Yes.
Yes, sir.
Okay. Right. So here, if you assign manually by writing here x colon number like this, because normal number also, decimal number is also data type will be number only, and this is post-fixed language. Post-fixed means what? After declaring variable, then we should write the data type. Some languages are prefixed. That means before variable we need to write int x or else int var x, something like that. But this is post-fixed. That means after declaring the variable name, we should write the data type. So if we are assigning here manually number like this, or else TypeScript assigning automatically data type as number, whatever it may be, next time also this variable will accept number as the data. Okay, right. But here what is happening? What is the point I told? Depends upon the first value I told. Line number 67 and 68. What is the first value? 67. So what is the data? Number. So what is the data type? TypeScript will assign number data type only. Then what happens? Always x will accept number as the value. But in the next one, what are you doing in the line number 68? X equal to Ramesh you are writing. That means Ramesh is what? String data type. For alphabets, alphanumeric special characters, data type will be string. Clear it, everyone? Please respond. Hello. Respond kindly. Don't
Yes,
be
sir.
silent. Okay. TypeScript data type will be string. So here data type is number, and data also number only. So it is accepting. No, not a problem. But here x is what? Data type is number. But what is the value you are assigning here? String. So data type and data both are not matching. Then what happens? It will throw error. But in the JavaScript, it is throwing output as Ramesh. But in TypeScript, we are getting output as error. Clear it, everybody? Kindly respond. Hello.
Yes, sir. Sir,
Okay,
what
sir.
if we update the data, sir? I mean, x is equal to 20 in 68th line.
What is it, Amit? Amit are asking, or is Banu you are asking?
Yeah, Amit, sir.
Yeah,
What
tell me.
What if we update the data to x is equal to 20, sir, in 68th
Yeah.
line? Yes, sir.
Yeah, no, it will be 20 only.
Okay, okay. Sir.
Data is
Data
matching.
type. Okay, sir.
Yeah, that's what I told, right?
Okay,
Data
clear,
type and
sir.
data has to match. Okay, Amit?
Okay, sir. Okay.
Right. Yes. So this is completed. Okay. First difference is clear. So everybody is clear. Tanisha, Shiva Hemalata, Hari, Jdbc, Banu, Amit. First difference. Shekhar.
Yeah, yes, sir.
Clear, sir.
Okay. Yeah.
Yes, sir.
So this is the first difference. Yes. Very good. This is the first difference. Then after second difference. So what is the second difference? So parameters count and arguments count. No need to match in JavaScript. What is that, everybody? Parameters count and arguments count. No need to match in JavaScript because the unmatched parameter value becomes undefined automatically. Undefined automatically. But in TypeScript, what is that? Parameters count and arguments count should match in TypeScript. What is that? It should match in TypeScript. Sir, what is these parameters and arguments? Can you explain? Yes, I'm going to explain that. So whenever you are developing the application, not only dealing with data, we need to perform different types of functionality. What is that, everybody? We need to perform different types of functionality. For example, sometimes we need to add, sometimes we need to subtract, sometimes multiply, sometimes updating the data, sometimes deleting the data. Okay, sometimes retrieving the data. So many types of functionality I need to handle. So if you want to handle the functionality, what is the thing I need to do? I need to write the functions. What is that, everybody? I need to write what? Functions. So sometimes what happens is, for the functions, I need to send some data also. Not only writing the data inside the function, directly to the function also I need to send some data. So whatever the function, whatever the data you are sending to the function, whatever the data you are sending to the function, those data can be called as parameters. Okay, everybody? Right. Now observe here, everybody. For example, here I am going to explain through here. Function yard. Function, in order to handle a yard functionality, I need to write a function. How to declare a function with the function keyword? Then after we should write function name. This is user defined. What is that? Yard. parenthesis curly brace. Now here respond everyone. I want to add something. So if you want to add something, minimum how many values we need to send? Respond everybody. If you want to add minimum how many? 2 values. So what I'm doing, I am sending these values to this function. For example, 6 comma 4. What is the 6 comma 4 can be called as arguments. What is it everybody? Arguments. So whenever you are sending values, whenever you are invoking a function, what is that everybody? Invoking, that means calling a function. Whenever you are sending the values, whenever you are calling a function, those values can be called as arguments. Those values can be called as arguments. So where they will go, these arguments will go to this function with this name. Here to this parenthesis it will go. Then what is the thing I need to do? I need to hold it. For example, you went to your friend's home. You went to your friend's home and your friend mother is offering you tea. What is that everybody? Your friend mother is offering you tea. Okay. So we need to hold the teacup or not in order to drink the tea. Respond everyone. We need to hold the teacup or not in order to drink the tea.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Okay. Right. In the same way, here we are offering 2 values to this function. So whenever you are offering or you are sending values to the function, this function has to accept and or not. This function definitely should accept that values. So how it will accept that values? These values can be called as arguments, right? So these arguments hold by the parameters. So if you are writing the values, whenever you are declaring a function, whenever you are writing the values, whenever you are calling a function, those are arguments. Whenever you are writing a values, whenever you are declaring a function, those values can be called as parameters. So these arguments will hold by these parameters. How many parameters I need to specify? How many arguments you are sending? That many parameters I need to specify. Since I am sending here 2 arguments, I need to specify here 2 parameters, A comma B. Then what happens? These arguments will hold by these parameters respectively. Respectively means what? First value, first parameter, second value, second parameter, third value, third parameter, like that, one by one. Okay, right. Then what happens? 6 will assign to A. So A value will becomes the 6. Then after B value will becomes the 4. Then what I want to perform? Additional operator. So which operator will perform the additional operation? Plus operator. See, plus will work like 2 ways. Plus will work in 2 ways in JavaScript as well as in TypeScript also. What is that? Left side of the plus, right side of the plus. Both are numbers. What is that everybody? Left side of the plus value, right side of the plus value. Both are numbers. Then this plus will work like a arithmetic operator. Arithmetic additional operator. What is that everybody? Arithmetic additional operator. Clear or not? Respond everyone.
Yes, sir.
Okay, right.
Yes, sir.
So yeah, any one of the value, left side or right side, any one of the value are strings, then it will work like a concatenation operator. Any one of the value are both the values are strings, then it will work like a concatenation operator. Concatenation operator means what? It will keep entire data side by side. What is that everybody? It will keep entire data side by side only. Okay, right. Now respond everybody. 6 comma 4. What is that? Numbers or strings? Respond everyone.
Numbers, sir.
Numbers. Then what is the output I will get if I use this A plus B expression? What is the output I will get?
10.
10. Why? Because number plus number equal to number 10. Okay, right. So 6 plus 4 is a number. So since 6 plus 6 is a number, 4 is a number, output also a number called 10. For example, if I send here like this, tell me what is the output I will get? What is the output I will get?
You will get 6 plus 4, like string 6 plus 4.
64, sir.
It will look like 64. What is that everybody? It will look like 64. That means it will keep 6 and 4 side by side. Since the 6 and 4 is keeping side by side, it will look like 64. Okay, everybody, but it will look like 64, actually not 64. Understand everyone? Please respond. Hello?
Yes, sir.
Respond everyone. Okay. Why?
Yes, sir.
Why? Because since you kept this 4 inside double quotations, TypeScript will treat like a string only. TypeScript will treat like a string only. Give me a second. Let me drink water. What is this, everybody? Since you kept this 4 inside a double quotations, TypeScript will treat like a, what is that? String only. So
Sir, JavaScript or TypeScript, sir?
both one.
Okay.
So it will treat like a string only. Okay, right. Then what happens? It will keep side by side. It will keep 6 and 4 side by side. Okay, understand everybody? Please respond. Okay, right. Then after here, what I am doing is I am sending here only one value. See here, everybody, here I have assigned 2 parameters, but here I am assigning only one argument. Then as per this description, guess what is the output I will get?
Error, sir, I think so.
Error. Okay, others respond. Amit, you responded, or else? Yeah, Amit responded, right? Banu, Butchbabu, Hari, everybody respond. What is the output we will get? Irfan, Shekhar, yeah.
In JavaScript, we will not get the error, sir, but in TypeScript, we will get the error.
Okay, in JavaScript, what is the output I will get? Okay, we don't get error, but what is the output we will get?
We will get like error only. We will get like.
So we will get output as nan. Why? Because 6 is matching with A.
Undefined.
Okay, one argument, one parameter. A value will become 6. But what is the unmatched parameter here? B. Then what is the value will becomes undefined. So A is a number, B is undefined. So number plus number equal to number. Number plus string equal to string. String plus number equal to string. String plus string equal to string. But number plus undefined equal to we cannot calculate. So definitely it is a nan, not a number. Clear it, everyone? Please respond. Hello. Okay, right. Output will be nan. Right. Now same thing I am doing with the TypeScript. Guess what is the output I will get? Depends upon this description. Parameters count and arguments count should match in TypeScript. Depends upon this description. Tell me what is the output I will get.
You will get like compiler error, like it will function will not execute, sir. Compiler error
will get error. What is that? Everybody will get error. Why? Because in TypeScript they should match. Should match means what? We must accept that rule. For example, you are riding a bike in a metropolitan city like Hyderabad or else Bangalore, anywhere. So you are riding without helmet. What happens? You need to pay some money. Understanding or not? Why? Because you are not following the rule. Understand that my point? Respond everyone. Hello.
Yes.
Respond everyone.
Yes.
Why? Because should rule. That is a should rule. Mandatory rule. That means whenever you are riding bike, we should wear helmet. So whenever there is a mandatory rule, if you are not accepting that, it will throw error. In the same way, here also what is the rule? Mandatory rule. Parameters count or arguments count should match. That is a mandatory rule. But if you don't follow the rule, what happens? It will throw error. TypeScript will throw the error. Compilation error. Okay. Right. Then after what is that? JavaScript uses interpreters. TypeScript uses compilers. What is that, everybody? JavaScript uses interpreters. TypeScript uses compilers. Understanding or not? Sir, what is this interpreters and compilers? Why we need to use this like that? See it, everybody. Almost in every programming language, we should use English alphabets to write the programming. So we are executing the computer, but computer cannot understanding any English language. Not only English language, any human reading, writing, speaking language cannot understand by the computer. Okay, everybody, computer can understand only binary language. There will be only two numerics. What are they? 0 and 1. So computer can understand only 0 and 1. Okay, right. So computer can understand only 0 and 1. But we cannot write all those things in the 0 and 1 by using. For example, 0, 1, 1, 1, 1, 0, 0, 0, 1, 0, 1, 0, 1, 1, 1, 1. You cannot program like that. Okay, right. So, and whatever you are programming, hi everyone, or else if for, okay, if A equal to B, A greater than B, whatever you are writing, that it cannot understand by the computer. Then what is the thing I need to do? I need to arrange a translator. For example, you want to speak with a Japanese person. What is that, everybody? You want to speak with a Japanese person. He don't know Telugu or else Hindi. Okay, he don't know Hindi. Okay, and Telugu. And you don't know Japanese. Then what is the thing he will do? Yes, man. What is the thing you will do?
Translator.
What is that? We need to use a no, not constructor. What is the thing we will do?
Translate.
English.
Translator. What is
Translator
that,
or
everybody?
mediator.
Yes, we need to assign a translator. Okay, what he will do whenever you are speaking in Hindi or Telugu, whenever you are speaking Hindi and Telugu or Telugu, he will convert that into Japanese. And whenever that Japanese person has responded, he will convert that into Hindi or Telugu. So both will be benefited because of the translator. Okay, everybody, right? In the same way, you know English and computer know only 0 and 1. So both are not understanding each and every your languages. Then what is the thing we need to do? We need to use interpreters or compilers. Both will do the same work. What is that? Converting our code into binary code. Both will do the same work. What is that? Converting our code into binary code. Then what is the difference between interpreters and compilers? That is the doubt everybody will get. So very simple, everybody. Interpreters will convert our code line by line and they will display the error one by one. For example, you are using JavaScript language. That is a scripting language. Definitely that will use interpreters. Okay. So for example, you are writing a code, 20 lines of code you are writing. Okay. You are not checking the errors. Directly have executed in the browser. But unfortunately, what happened? Line number 2, there is a problem. 4, there is a problem. 6, there is a problem. Assume like that. Okay. But you did not check that. Directly have executed in the computer. Then what happens? First line, okay, no problem. It will be executed. Second line, there is a problem. It will stop the interpretation. It does not go to the line number 3. Whenever that language finds an error, it will stop the interpretation there itself. It does not go to the next line. So one error at a time. Understand that my point? Respond everyone. Okay, right. After solving line number 2 error, then it will go to the line number 3. Okay, then after there is no problem. Then after that it will go to line number 4. There is a problem. It will stop the interpretation there. After solving line number 4 error, then it will go to the 4. Then after 5. Then after line number 6, there is a problem. It will stop the interpretation there. So whenever it find an error, it will stop the interpretation. It does not go to the next slide. And at a time, it will throw only one error. Okay, right. For example, same thing you are doing with TypeScript. 20 lines of code you are writing. Line number 2, there is a problem. 4, there is a problem. 6, there is a problem. Then what happens? All the errors it will display at once. What is it, everybody? All the errors it will display at once. Understanding or not? Respond, please. Line number 2, 4, 6, it will display at once. Clear it, everyone? Please respond. Hello.
Yes, sir.
Okay, right. What about the others? Tanisha, Hemrata, Shekhar, Babu.
Yeah, understand, sir.
Tanisha,
Yeah.
yeah.
Hello.
Tanisha, yeah, Tanisha.
Yes, sir. Yes.
Right, Hemrata.
Hello, sir. Can you repeat the JavaScript users and interpreters, sir?
Yeah. Yes, Hemrata. JavaScript uses interpreters. TypeScript uses compilers. Okay, interpreter will display at a time only one error. Compilers will display all the errors at once. Okay, Hemrata.
Okay, sir.
Okay, right. Now I want to show you that practically. Wait 1 second, everybody. From my previous class, I want to show you that. Wait a second. Don't worry. Give me a second, everyone. It is loading. See it, everybody. This is variable naming convention. Line number 18, 19, 20, there is problems. That's why I have specified as never preferred ways to declare variables. Okay, right. Just I am executing this line. Observe it. I will tell you how to execute this TypeScript files and everything by tomorrow class onwards. Okay, don't worry about that. Just to observe the difference between compilers and interpreters only. How I am executing everything, forget about that. Later you will understand it step by step. Respond, everyone. How many errors it is displaying? Respond. 18 error is displaying or not? Respond everybody. 18, 19, 20. All the 3 errors it is displaying or not? Hemalata and others respond. Don't be silent.
Okay, sir.
Respond everybody. Others also respond. Are you seeing right?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Yes.
Okay, what is this? Line number 18, 19, 20. All the errors it is displaying at once. Because I have specified a variable name with the space, that is not correct. I should not separate a variable name with hyphen, that is also not correct. I should not declare a variable with numbers, that is also not correct. That's why it is displaying all the errors at once. 18, 19, 20. Okay, right. Remember this. Then after, it will generate a JavaScript file also. Wait 1 second. Same error, same mistakes I'm doing here. Okay, right. See it everybody. JS I'm executing. Previously that is TS. But now I'm executing JS. Observe it everyone. What is the error we are getting? How many errors we are getting? How many errors we are getting?
Only
15.
one.
Only one. See it? 15. What is it everybody? 15. What is that? I have separated with space. Is it displaying line number 16 and 17? Respond. Hemlata and others also. Respond everybody.
Yes, sir.
Is it 16 and 17 I'm asking, not only 15. 16 and 17 errors it is displaying.
No, sir.
No, sir. No.
It is displaying only 15
See.
error. Okay, one time, one error. But previously, 3 errors are there, 3 errors it is displaying at a time. Space, hyphen, number, 18, 19, 20 at a time. But now, though we have 3 errors, but it 15, 16, 17, all the 3 are errors only. But it is displaying only 15 only. After solving line number 15 error, see it, I have solved it. Then it will display number 16 error. See it everyone. Now see, it is not displaying line number 15. What is the point I told? If it is find any error, it will stop the interpretation there only. It does not go to the next time. So that's why previously number 15 there is a problem. So that's why it is stopped interpretation there only. It does not go to the line number 16. After solving line number 15 error, then only it is going to the line number 16. Since there is a problem, it has stopped the interpretation there. Understand, right? Respond please. How many errors it is displaying? 16 and 17 both errors it is displaying, or else only 16 it is displaying?
Only 16, sir.
Only 16. One time, one error. Okay, right. I should not separate with hyphen. If you want to separate, we should separate with underscore. Okay, save it. I have cleared line number 16 also. Now, did I modify anything in the line number 17? Respond everybody. Did I modify anything in the line number 17?
No, no, sir.
No, sir.
No. Okay, right. See it? Now we are getting line number 17 error. So that is the difference. At a time only one error. Okay, everybody? Right. So this is the difference between TypeScript and JavaScript also. Clear it, everybody? Respond please.
Yes, sir.
Yeah, yes.
Yes.
Okay, very good. This is the major 3 differences. Give me a second. Why it is not there? Okay, right. Okay, this is the third difference. Then after fourth one is oops concepts in JavaScript are very complicated. Why? Because in native JavaScript, okay, in native JavaScript, not Node.js. Node.js also a JavaScript, but not in Node.js. Native JavaScript, what is available in the browser without Node.js. That JavaScript, in that JavaScript, there is no oops concepts. Okay, sorry, there is no class concept. What is that, everybody? There is no class concept. Everything we need to do it with functions only. Okay, so that's why it will be very complicated. Why? Because if there is a class concept, single class we can declare. N number of functions we can write. So simply we'll create an object for that class. By using that object, we can call N number of functions. Okay, how many functions are there in that particular class. Okay, we can create an object. Through that object, we can call all the functions in that class. So it is very easy. But in JavaScript, what happens? There is no class concept, right? Each and every function we need to write individually. One function we need to write inside that function, we need to write another function. That function we need to call another some other function. There we need to manipulate some other function. If you change, if you made any mistake in any single function, it will throw all the time errors. Okay, everybody. So that's why OOPS concepts are very, very complicated in JavaScript. This is the fourth difference. Clear it, everyone? Please respond.
Yes, sir.
Okay, right. So understand it, everybody. Respond, please.
Yes, sir.
Right, very good.
Understood, sir.
Right. So then after that is it. Then after this is about the TypeScript related introduction. Okay, everybody, what is that? This is the TypeScript related introduction. Then after, how to install the TypeScript? Very simple. Install Node.js in your computer. Why? Because TypeScript internally depends upon the Node.js. After installing Node.js in your computer only, you can install the TypeScript. Once you install the TypeScript, automatically the TypeScript related compiler also will come. Okay, TypeScript cannot understand by the computer by default. So TypeScript has to convert into JavaScript. We will convert TypeScript compiler. How it will come? Whenever you install TypeScript. How to install TypeScript with the help of Node.js only. Why? Because TypeScript internally depends upon the Node.js. That is one thing. Okay, then after, what is the thing I need to do? First of all, we need to install Node.js in our computer. Then after, install TypeScript with the help of Node Package Manager. Node Package Manager stands for NPM. Whenever you install Node.js in your computer, then only you are able to connect with this Node Package Manager. And you should have internet also. From that Node Package Manager, by using that Node Package Manager, we need to install. What is that? TypeScript. G stands for globally. Globally means what? Everywhere in the computer we can practice. C drive, D drive, E drive. Everywhere in the computer we can practice this. Okay, everybody. Right. This is the steps you need to follow to install the TypeScript. Now already I have installed in my computer, right? Who is attending through computer? Respond. Amit, Banu, Babu, Hari, Irfan, Shekhar, Siva, Hemalata, Tanisha. Who is attending through computer? Who is attending through computer?
Sir, I am
I am
attending to
me.
computer.
I am attending through computer, sir.
Amit.
See, computer.
Yes, sir.
Yeah, right. Okay, everybody is attending. Right, very good. See, computer means don't think only desktop. We have a misconception. Computer means we'll think only a desktop. That is not correct. Desktop also, laptop also, both are computers only. It will do computing only. Okay, right. So we will think in two different ways. Computer means desktop, and a laptop means we need to specify it as laptop only. Don't think like that. Yes. So everybody attends the computer, right? So now I will make Tanisha as host. Okay, Tanisha, I will install in your computer. Did you install TypeScript or Node.js in your computer, Tanisha, previously? Tanisha, did you install in previously Node.js or TypeScript? Previously. Hello. You are muted, Tanisha. Okay, Banu Prasad. Are you attending the computer, right? I will make you as host. Did you install previously, Banu Prasad? Node.js or TypeScript?
Yeah. Yes, sir. Yes, sir. I just now I updated my that TypeScript, sir. I'm using Mac, so I updated to TypeScript. Just now I installed npm install manage the TypeScript.
Who told you to install Banu? I want to install in your computer manually. It's okay. Very good. Very good. Okay. Right.
Thanks.
Yeah. Very good. Very good. Right. Amit, you?
Yes,
Did you
sir.
install?
I have already installed Node.js and TypeScript also, sir.
Oh, okay. Babu, what about you? Hari? Irfan?
I
Shekhar?
installed my laptop. Everything is in my laptop. Yeah.
Already it is available.
Yeah,
Okay.
it's already there.
Irfan? Shekhar? Hemalata?
Yeah, it is already installed. Ramesh.
Already installed. Oh, okay. Very good. Hemalata, you? What about you, Hemalata? Are you attending through computer right now?
Yes, sir. Install, sir.
Already installed. Tanisha, you? What about you?
So I'm using laptop and it's already installed.
Okay, everybody install. This is the first time it is happening. At least one person will be there to install in their computer. Okay, very good. It's okay. Right. See here, everybody. Whenever you are installing the Node.js, maybe you don't know you have installed latest version of Node.js. That is not the correct thing. Observe it, everybody. Go to the google.com, type there Node.js download. What is that, everybody? Node.js download. Click there. See it, everyone? Right. Generally, we have a misconception. What is that? We need to go to the latest version like that. But observe it, everybody, 23.8.0, that is the latest. But 22.14.0 is that is LTS. Always we need to install even number versions. What is that, everybody? Always you need to install even number versions for TypeScript, Angular, React, JS, Node.js itself. In order to application development, we should always install even number versions only, not odd number versions. For example, observe it, everyone. Version 23.4.6 is there. Version 22.13.3 is there. Respond. Which version I need to install? 23.4.6 or 22.13.3? Which version I need to install? Respond, everyone. I told right.
Second one, sir.
Second one. Why? Because first number must be even number, not this number, not the sub numbers. First number must be even numbers. So version should indicate with this version only. This is the version number. This is the subversions. No need to worry about that. Okay. So first number must be even number. Okay, not the odd numbers. So even number version, that is also latest. Long term support stability. Okay, long term stability. LTS stands for. So this one, which is specified as even number and which is specified as LTS, that particular version only we need to install. Sir, I don't know which version I install. Okay, how to check it? Very simple. Open your command prompt. What is that? Open your command prompt. It is opening like this. Now respond, everybody. Type there node space. What is that? Node, N-O-D, node space -v or else -v. -v. Press there, enter. See it, everybody. 22.12.0. This is the version I have installed previously. This is how you can find the version of the Node.js. Okay, everybody, are you sure which you have installed only even number versions?
Yes, sir. Mine is 22.13, sir.
22.13. Okay, right. What about others? Tanisha, Yamlata? Check in your comments.
22.14.0.
Okay, right. Irfan, Shekhar, Yamalata.
Sir, mine is 23.6.0 is that, sir?
Right, very good, very good. Who is that? Banu or?
Banu.
Right, very good. Yes. Now share your screen, Banu.
Yeah, here it is, sir.
Right.
Are you able to-
Now, do you know how to uninstall the Node.js, Banu?
No, sir.
Okay, right. Now go to the Node.js. Sir, Google to the Google.
Yes, sir.
Right. So type the Node.js download. Click there. Yeah, wait 1 second. Mac OS, right? Yes. Now click
Yeah.
on the Mac OS installer PKG. No, Mac OS only. See it
Oh.
below. There is green color button is there. Mac OS installer PKG.
Yeah. Package. Okay. Still loading, sir.
Yeah, it is downloading. Okay, wait.
It is downloading.
Right. Now click there. Just click there. Yes. Wait 1 second. Continue. Yeah. Continue only. Agree. Yes. Change in, no, install.
Yeah, on.
Install software. Yeah. Enter your password. Yes. Okay. Let it click on close. You can move to trash. Yeah. Now open the command prompt. Now type the node space -v.
Oh, no, still it is showing 23.
Close this command prompt, reopen and reopen.
Still it is showing 23.6.0.
Uninstall the Node.js one. I don't know about the Mac.
Okay.
That's why I'm telling you.
Okay, sir.
Uninstall.
I'll check it in ChatGPT.
Go above. Run these commands. Go above this one. No, this one. This one. Right. That's one.
Brew install.
Yeah.
Mm.
Irfan, yeah, 1 second, Irfan. After making the payment, I will share you the videos with you. Okay, Irfan. Right. Hello, Irfan. Okay. Yeah, with the Google Pay. Okay. Yeah.
Now it's going to 22.114.0, sir.
Yeah. Right. Very good.
Oh,
Okay.
that means like when I uninstall the node thing, like it will not remove entire node one, or just the latest version it will delete, sir.
Yeah, means maybe I don't know about Mac Ban Prasad, but in Windows, automatically it will delete entire things. Okay. But I'm not aware of the Mac. Okay. So that's why.
Okay.
Yeah. Right. So that's it, everybody. Leave it like this. This is a class for today, everyone. Yeah. Make me as host, Banu. Then go to the participants and find my name, Ramesh Trainer.
Okay, yeah, so I'll do it as a make as host.
Yeah.
Yeah, I did it, sir.
Right. Thank you. So that's it, everybody. This is the class for today. So, okay, tomorrow we'll meet. I will tell you how to install TypeScript and how to practice the TypeScript also in your computers. Okay. Right, thank you very much, everybody. Sir, when can I get videos? Okay. Right. That's it. Okay, everybody. Right, thank you very much, everybody. Tomorrow we'll meet. Okay. Yes. Thank you.
Thank you.
Thank you, sir.
Yeah. Thank you, everybody. Right.